Meeting the Protector, a guided tool based off of a therapy session conducted by Richard Schwartz, IFS founder. Make this IFS session your own. Please feel free to skip forward, rewind, or to pause the session as it fits your needs. You may also find that you may need to just stop the session altogether if your parts are not willing to separate today. That's okay. Just be patient with yourself. Parts need patience too. The process of self-acceptance is an ongoing journey requiring daily practice. Gently close your eyes and take some time to focus on your breath. Let's begin with some physiological sighs to switch into parasympathetic nervous system and away from our fight and flight response. Purse your lips like you're sipping through a straw to control the slow exhale of air. Take 2 deep and quick inhales through the nose, followed by a long exhale through the mouth. Let's do that 2 more times. 2 quick inhales through the nose and a slow, long exhale through the mouth. And now a final time. 2 quick inhales and completely emptying our lungs with a slow, long exhale through the mouth. Now that your body is relaxed, let's return to breathing at your normal pace. In this moment, be aware that there is nothing you need to do, no place you need to be. Focus inside and see if you can notice a trailhead. This is an inner voice, a thought, an emotion, physical sensation, or impulse that you may be experiencing. Just let it come to you. Do not try to force it. And if nothing comes to you today, that's okay too. Just be patient and know that as we experience life, it is a normal thing for all of us to exile parts of ourselves that were not socially acceptable. As we do this, it becomes necessary for us to create managers and firefighters to deal while our parts are exiled. Continue to breathe and let your parts know there's nothing to do, nowhere to be. Invite your parts to give you some space inside. Inhale through your nose, slowly exhale through your mouth. How does your body feel now? Let your parts know that they will be attended to, asking them to give you some more space. Continue to notice and observe. What is your part like? Is it a child, an energy, an animal, a shape, a feeling, or some other form? If you do not see or feel anything today, that is okay. Some people never see any of their parts and just feel them. Take the time now to name your part. It's so important that we name our parts so that they know they're valuable parts of us. We recognize them and we love them. As you notice this part in your body, notice how you feel towards it. Are you mindfully accepting this part? Or are there other parts inside of you that are fearful of it? Are there parts that are dependent on this other part? And if you're feeling anything other than compassion, other parts are blended with you. So ask these parts if they're willing to give you space, step back so you can get to know this part in a different way. You should notice a shift as their energy separates from you. And just do that until you come to a place of curiosity about your target part. If they will not separate, then just spend the time to get to know the parts and why they are afraid to separate. Do not interact with the target part until you are openly curious without an agenda about it. Sometimes, when there is an extreme part, it may prevent self or other parts to speak. When this happens, you can use a tool called the room technique. Gently ask this extreme part if it could temporarily go to a safe room, and if it's too scared, shy, or if it alarms the other parts. If you get to a point of curiosity, ask this part, what does this part want you to know about it? Do not think about it, and be patient. If nothing comes, it's okay. As you get to know this part, ask it what it is afraid would happen if it didn't give you this thought, feeling, or emotion. Why is it trying to get your attention? Is there some reason that it is hurting somehow? Ask this part now what it needs from you in the future. Extend some appreciation to your part for protecting you and for letting you know what it is feeling today. How does this part react? Let this part know that you will always be here for it when it needs you, and that you will not ignore it anymore. You will always offer it your awareness and your presence. You will listen to this part's feelings and concerns. You will comfort, and you will always love this part of you. Begin to shift your focus back outside. Thank your focus part for whatever it let you know, and thank all of your parts for giving you space so that you could get to know your target part better. Let them all know that this is not the last time that you will visit with them and that you will be coming back. When it all feels complete, come back. Inhale and exhale. You've done a good job.